Today we are going to prepare a Moroccan delicacy, lamb brains with tomato sauce. First, let's prepare the brains. You will need at least 1 lamb brain per person. Place the lamb brains in a bowl, cover with cold water, and gently wash the brains with the tips of your fingers. You may have to redo this a few times until the brains are clean. Place the brains on a cutting board and gently peel the thin membrane covering the brains. This will help remove all the thin blood vessels. See the difference? This side still has the membrane, and this side I already removed the membrane. Now, cut each brain into 3 main pieces: the right lobe, left lobe, and the small round part underneath the lobes. In a large pan, place the peeled tomatoes cut into small cubes and grated garlic. Cook for a few minutes. For the spices, we will need ground turmeric, ground cumin, paprika, pepper, and salt. Add the olive oil and mix. Cook for 5 minutes. Add the finely chopped parsley and continue cooking for 15 minutes until the tomatoes release their juices and become soft. Smash the tomatoes with a wooden spoon until you get a smooth tomato paste. Now place the brains in the tomato sauce. Add water, or even better, I collected the juice from the tomatoes when I cut them earlier and filtered it from the seeds to use it instead of water. Cook for 10 minutes. Then gently return the brains to the other side and continue cooking for another 10 minutes. Drink some mint tea while waiting. Now add the lemon juice and cook for another 3 minutes. You can serve this brain dish hot or cold. I personally prefer it hot. Decorate with some chopped parsley and serve with crusty bread. Bon appétit!